this bike have an issue is that when you turn on the bike, the display not work. You see, right? Now let's check what caused this issue. Now first step, please check the batteries button. Make sure it's on. Yeah, it's on. And the second step, check the battery pack is in. Okay. Now you see the battery switch is light, but when you turn on, still not work. Okay. First step, check the on off switch. Unplug this and check the plug, the pink. You see the pink, and check whether this is bent or is missed. If it is okay, plug it back. Still not work. Okay. Next step, you may need to change the switch. Now this is it. This is the new one. Unplug it. Okay, let's try. It's work, right? Now we can confirm that is the on and off switch issue. Just change a new one. Okay.